Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to delete WhatsApp status. So let's get right into it. Head over to your WhatsApp application. Once you're there, if you have already uploaded a status of your own, just go to the updates, and here you can see the status. In the status option there is my status, and click on it. Here you can see there is a view currently, and if we want to delete it, we just need to head over to it or click on the delete button or click on the three dots icon, and there will be a delete option. And there's another way, head over to the status and there will be a three dots icon on the upper right corner, and there is also a delete button too. So once you click on the delete option, there comes the layout of delete one status update. So then tap on delete and your status is deleted. And yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.